Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Leos. We are picking few cards, guys. And I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you want more clarity or if you have some confusion in your situation, you can watch that reading, guys. So that will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards, Leos. We have Fortitude in reverse. These are your general energy cards, guys. Temperance and Astronomer of Spheres in reverse. So with these cards may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys, your relationship. So maybe Leos, you are quite impatient or um, you feel lost or stressed because you feel that you cannot solve or you cannot handle some situation. You have that inability to handle some situation. You have lots of fears about something, or maybe for some of you, you feel that your circumstances are too demanding. Maybe it is demanding all your attention and all your strength and efforts. So it is quite difficult for you. You feel really weak or impatient to get over it with. So whatever you are dealing with, maybe it may be something in your career or it may be something to do in your personal life, some circumstance. You just want to get it over with, guys, today. And you want to move away from that situation or circumstance. And maybe for some of you, you are trying really hard today, guys. Maybe your past failures or whatever happened in your past, it is stressing you and it has given you so much knowledge, learning. You have learned so much from that situation, and you are afraid that same things may happen again or same kind of situation may unfold today, and that is the reason for stress or sadness today. But you are trying to overcome that situation. And maybe for some of you, you have some you are suffering from some illness or sickness that is again causing a lot of stress for you. And maybe for some of you, it may be your energy or someone in your situation. So this person you work with or the person you are in connection with, they have a careless attitude and they are not interested to do anything, maybe not interested to make any efforts for this love, or someone from your work, they are not making enough efforts like you. So that again is causing a lot of stress for you guys, Leos. But I also see that whatever your situation is, maybe you are facing lot of difficult situations in your career or some stressful times in your relationship. No matter what, you are trying to adapt yourself. You are trying to find that balance and you are trying to be patient, guys, and your situation may resolve, guys, Leos, bit by bit. You are seeing troubles but your situation is improving and you see a light at the end of the tunnel. That is what I would say, guys, with these cards for your general energy, Leos. Let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys, specific to your relationship. So we have Three of Suns. So with this card in your situation, in your relationship, this may be what you feel or what this person feels about you. So you have that strength and willpower no matter what your situation is. You want to make things work uh, to benefit you, and you are what to say, trying some new things in this connection. Maybe certain things did not work well with this person, so you are trying to change your ways, find new direction, so you will be able to build a beautiful relationship for both of you, guys. So you're trying to adapt. That is what I see, guys, with this card. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have 8 of Suns in reverse, guys. So in your situation, guys, maybe there are people who are quite jealous, or they are ready to grab your opportunities, Leos. And maybe for some of you, you are feeling really stressed because you have missed some opportunities for success, and that is causing a lot of worry, guys, in your career situation. So but whatever it is, guys, your situation is improving, Leos. That is what I see. And that is a reading, guys. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards, and whatever your situation is, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this aside. So let's see what it is. We have Passatine Garnet. So this is the card for you all, guys, and this is your crystal for those who have chosen this card. So this card just means that you are unique in your own way, and you are really working hard, trying really hard to make people like you. But you need to stop that, because your soulmate, the person who is amazing, glorious, and who is the perfect match, is waiting for you to come towards you. So you need to understand that whatever you are trying to hide, or whatever you are trying to change for to make people like you, or for yourself to have that understanding, you need to give up that fear or whatever apprehensions you have, and feel comfortable in your own skin. So whatever you are, you should not be ashamed to show that, and you should be truthful to your heart. You should show your authentic self. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you're charming, charismatic, and sparkling, and you are a brilliant person in your own unique way, just like everyone else is. So you need to shine brightly, whatever you are, instead of trying to hide or change yourself, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you are authentic to yourself, you will find that authentic love today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who have chosen the second card. And this is your card, guys, the second card. And it is the Juniper Tree, Deception. So with this card, the energy is that for you all is that it just means that you have been carrying a great burden till now. Maybe it is someone else's responsibility, not yours, and you are carrying so much sadness within you because of that. And you must let go of that sense of feeling that everything is your fault, and you have a good heart. That is the reason you are thinking that it is your fault that certain things are happening in your life today, guys. But you should not lose hope, and you need to keep doing what you need to do today. And soon, very soon, the person you loved, that person will come back to you. Maybe for some of you, I see, maybe you, if you are in a breakup, if you are in a separation, this person is going to come back to you, is going to build that understanding. Maybe there is a third party involved. That may be the reason that you feel that sadness today. But you need to do the right thing, and whatever happiness or whatever love you lost is coming back to you. And you should not act out of your anger or resentments today, guys. You have to have compassion in your heart. And when you are compassionate, your situation is going to change. And maybe for some of you, you have taken up false blame, or someone has blamed you for something which is not your mistake, and you are accepting it because you are a person of a very good heart. But you need to understand that it is not your responsibility and it is not your burden. So you need to let go of that, but have that compassion in your heart, and don't act based on your impulses. When you do that, you're going to find the person you love coming back to you, understanding your situation and understanding the whole scenario, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and you're getting second chances at life, at love. So whatever you missed, that is going to come back to you, guys. That is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.